Hi and Assalamualaikum. We are Group PR23. The title for our topic is Undersea Tunnel between Seberang, Perai and Penang Island. These four are our group members. Penang is one of Malaysia's most developed state, with strong economic and tourism activities. Due to rapid urban growth, traffic congestion has become a serious issue, especially between Seberang, Perai and Penang Island, where many people travel daily. Currently, only 2 bridges connect the mainland and the island, and these are often congested during peak hours. To address this, the state government proposed an undersea tunnel as a third road link under the Penang State Structure Plan 2030. Although the tunnel has been proposed as a solution to traffic congestion, the project has not started yet. According to New Straits Times, the project still needs input from the National Physical Planning Council. There are also planning issues such as tunnel alignment and overlapping developments, which raise concern about the cost, safety, and whether the project will actually be efficient in the long run.
This tunnel project involves a very high construction cost funded by public money. The ethical issue here is whether using billions of ringgit for one mega project is justified when other sectors like healthcare, education, and public transport also need funding. This raises concern about opportunity cost and responsible use of taxpayer money. Also, the project offers economic benefits such as improved connectivity and reduced congestion between the mainland and the island. However, there are ethical conflicts because tunnel construction may disturb marine ecosystem and poses safety risks like flooding or fire. This challenge is balancing economic development with environmental protection and public safety. This leads to a moral dilemma. While the tunnel provides a long-term solution, it is costly and risky. Safer alternatives like improving ferry services or public transport could achieve similar outcomes with lower risk. Ethically, decision makers should aim to minimize harm and maximize public benefit. If the project faces delays or cost overruns, taxpayers would bear the financial burden. Construction may also disrupt local communities. Therefore, transparency and accountability are essential to maintain public trust and ensure the project serves the public interest.
Now, let's look at the moral compass of this project. As engineers, we don't just ask, can we build it? We must always ask, shall we build it? To answer that, we apply three core ethical frameworks. First and most importantly is utilitarianism. This is the principles of the greatest good for the greatest number. Ideally, if the majority opinion benefit, the project is justified. However, we also have non-negotiable duties. Under public safety ethics, we are obligated to protect human life above all else, meaning risks like tunnel fires or flooding must be zero. And under environmental ethics, we have a duty of stewardship to not irreversible destroy the marine ecosystems. So, how does the penalty stack up? We have to perform utilitarian calculations. On the benefit side, we have clear advantages which include reduced traffic congestion time saving for the commuters and economic growth for the state. But we must weigh this against the harms if the construction destroys the livelihood of the fishermen, risk public safety or create a massive financial debt for the public. Then the skill tips. From an ethical standpoint, the conclusion is clear. A project is only ethical if the benefits significant outweigh the harms. If the environmental and financial costs are too high, then despite the traffic benefits, proceeding would be unethical. We must ensure we are not just solving a traffic jam by creating a disaster.
An online survey was conducted using Google Form with 150 respondents. The results show that most respondents experience traffic congestion and are aware of the tunnel proposal. While public support is generally high, the main concern raised is the high cost of construction using public funds. Half of the respondents also believe that the existing bridges are not sufficient to handle future traffic demand.
That we got from these cases is number one, transparency is non-negotiable. Penang Undersea Tunnel. First, criticism due to RFP process and open tendering will ensure the fairness, avoid favoritism and prevent land scam allegation. Number two is early engagement, avoid deadlocks. Penang developer with land is risky because the land value will rise and Penang lose profit and bargaining power. So we need to monitor land first and pay developer in cash. Last but not least, the cost of land swap, conflict with Penang Port and BCT over tenant alignment caused delay, and key stakeholder was consulted too late. Lesson that we got from here is engage port, airports and authorities at consist stage and prevent deadlock and avoid costly redesign. Solution that we propose for these cases: number one, improve safety standard, follow international safety, regular safety check, and do not reduce safety to save costs. Number two is ensure financial transparency, open tender process, clear reporting of project costs, and regular audit to avoid corruption. Number three is strengthen environmental protection, conduct environmental impact assessment (EIA), protect marine life and seabed, and apply environmental safety measure. We can conclude that number one, the purpose of the tunnel to connect Seberang Perai and Penang Island, to reduce traffic congestion, to shorten travel time and support economic activities. Number two is public opinion. Most people experience traffic congestion. Many support this project and show traffic is a real problem. Number three is public concern. Public concern that this project might be costly, safety risk during construction and long construction period. Last but not least is ethical consideration. Large public spending may affect other sectors such as healthcare, safety risk for user, and possible environmental damage.